Immobiliser fit, and today I've secured this Audi RSQ8 with a Starline Pro Immobiliser as well as a HaloTrack Plus Immobiliser. So the way the standard Starline Immobiliser worked, if someone done a relay attack, copied this key, hopped in the vehicle to start it, the vehicle's going to fire up. When they go to drive away, by selecting the gear, car cuts out. So what the customer's got to do to drive this is either have a Bluetooth phone paired up or use a push sequence. So for now, they'll start the vehicle up with their push sequence, go 1, 2, 3, hit the disarm tone, and they can drive away. That's their day-to-day setup. That's how they can drive it, or they can have their Bluetooth phone paired up, Bluetooth on, hop in the vehicle, start it up, hit the disarm tone straight away, go into gear, drive off. No wasting time using the pin code. Just phone in their pocket, they can drive away. If their phone goes flat, they can obviously use the push sequence. This customer's also opted for the HaloTrack Plus. So on this system, they can live track the vehicle, find out where it is, see where it's been. And also, the customer wants to rent this out, so if they put this Starline in service mode and they need to disable it remotely, all they can do, pop into the app, click on the device they want to use. So here's the Audi. We've zoomed out so you obviously can't see where it is. So we'll click on set, scroll down, cut off, type in the customer's password, press OK, it will send the command. So you can do this from anywhere in the world, don't have to be in the car. Once it's sent, you're going to see it come back as successful. There we go. And now, if you've rented out the vehicle, once they bring it to a standstill, the car's not going to start up again. This is irrespective of the Starline. They're two totally different products. But as you can see, the vehicle doesn't fire up. And it's going to be completely disabled until you go back and let the vehicle start again through the app. So we'll just do the same thing in reverse. Go in here, recover the vehicle, pop in the customer's password, press OK, send the command. Once it's successful, you're going to see we can start the vehicle up. So you can be anywhere in the world, disable the vehicle so no one can drive it. But this is just the backup system, or if the customer wants to rent it out, you'll see now it starts up and they can drive it. Well, they put it into gear and the Starline disables it. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline Pro Immobiliser and a HaloTrack Plus Immobiliser tracker. Thanks for watching.